There is a motion to subpoena Mr. Larangan. I'm sorry.
John Michael Mayrong.
J.M. Mayrong, duly seconded. So ruled, COMSEC, paki-issue yung subpoena laban kay Mr. Mayrong. And point very well taken yung sinabi ni Senator Sherwin dun sa ibang invited resource persons, some already covered by subpoena, sa pag-absent sa hearing na ito. Lalo na dahil, gaya ng binanggit ko kanina, patapos na ang mga hearings na ito. Kumbaga, nagsasara na rin yung window of opportunity sa mga resource persons. Magpakita dito to honor the invitation or lalo na to honor a subpoena at magsabi na ng totoo. Kumbaga, pa-last chance na magsabi ng totoo sa komite in aid of this investigation. COMSEC, to follow up, anong status ng imbitasyon natin kay JP Samson?
Madam Chair, we sent a subpoena to Mr. Samson, and it was received by his driver, and there's no reply from them.
Madam Chair, if I may.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Yes, according to our committee secretary, Mayor Feliciano declined the invitation because of a prior commitment.
Yes, sir.
And I think that is totally unacceptable to me and the committee. I move that we issue a subpoena, and if he does not honor the subpoena, issue a warrant of arrest right away. I so move, Madam Chair.
There's a motion to subpoena former Mayor Feliciano, duly seconded, and so ruled. COMSEC, please issue the subpoena against former Mayor Feliciano. Hindi po talaga po pwede na medical excuse na hindi naman urgent din, no? So I address this to those already mentioned na nagsasite ng medical reasons at pati kina Ms. Geraldine at Ms. Catherine. You will be invited to the next hearing dahil mukhang posible talagang may isa pang hearing kung madami ang sakit-sakitan. Do not fail to heed that subpoena of the committee.